Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, I will introduce you to the basics of Android. I will also discuss the features that are supported by Android operating system. And finally, I will conclude this lecture by giving a brief summary of the learnings of this lecture. What is Android? Android is a mobile operating system specifically designed for tablet and mobile devices. Android is based on Linux kernel and has similar file hierarchy as the hierarchy for Linux operating system. So Android is a lightweight operating system similar to Linux. The specific feature of Android is that it provides infrastructure for application and game development. Now let us discuss the features of Android. Android supports many features. I will discuss a few of them with you in this lecture. The first feature that is supported by Android is mobile tablet application or game development. Application and game development is one of the mostly talked feature of Android. The second feature that Android supports is Android provides a beautiful user interface. This user interface could be in the form of screen touches, voice commands, key pressing, or some hardware oriented inputs such as sensor events or orientation events of the device. Android supports connectivity features. It provides SIM support using GSM, Edge, GPRS, WCDMA, UMTS and many other connecting technologies. GSM is global system for mobiles. Edge is the 2.5 to 3G technology. GPRS is global packet radio services. WCDMA is the wideband code division multiple access. Android also supports other connectivity features to devices such as Wi-Fi connectivity, nearby field communication, LTE and WiMAX connectivity technologies for devices. Android provides media support on devices. These media include video files, audio files, image files or some other type of files supported by the Android operating system. The formats that are supported by Android include video formats such as MP4, WMV, VLC and many others. Similarly, the audio formats that are supported include MP3, ACC, OGG, MIDI and WAV and also other audio formats. The image files that are supported by Android include JPEG, PNG, BMP and many others. So Android provides a vast formats support for audio, video, images and other types of media. Android supports emailing and messaging services. These emails or messages could be sent using some applications like Gmail application or some SMS applications using your Android device. Android supports multi-touch, multitasking and multi-language. The multi-touch on the screen provides simultaneous touch inputs to the applications. The multitasking is supported by Android operating system. This multitasking allows separate threads for the various applications that are running simultaneously. Android also supports multi-languages. Android provides web browser support. For example, Android supports browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, One Browser, etc. And these browsers support HTML5 and CSS along with JavaScripting. Android provides some exciting connectivity features such as Wi-Fi Direct, Beam, etc. for fast sharing of data and files between two devices. Conclusion. As a conclusion to this lecture, we learned the basic introduction to Android operating system, and we learned the features that are supported by Android operating system, such as user-friendly interfaces, multi-touch, multitasking, and media supports for audio-video files, and other features like application and game development supports, messaging support, emailing support, audio-video calling support, web browsing, internet connectivity, Wi-Fi Direct support, etc. and many other more exciting features are being supported by Android operating system. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. See you in the next lecture.